What's going on, everyone? My name is Jeff. So this is the 3 stocks to buy video for July of 2019. Guys, I'm really excited to make this video. We're at a real standstill in the market, okay? We have a very big couple events coming this week. Of course, we have the G20 summit, and there is a lot of rumors surrounding the United States and China possibly coming to a trade agreement. Now, I personally do not think that's gonna happen, but I still remain very bullish on this market right now. Now, in last month's video, guys, the 3 stocks to buy for June, I talked at the very start of the video about Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, how that is probably going to be the best way to trade through the month of June. And so at the start of this video, I showed this caption here where Bitcoin was trading at $8,734. And here we are 1 month later, and Bitcoin is at $11,429, up about 30% over the past month. And just yesterday, Bitcoin made this huge run to 13,800, and then a report come out saying that the Coinbase website was down and it has crashed off since then, but almost up 60% at one point during the month of June. Now, myself, I made several trades on Bitcoin and Ethereum. There's also other crypto coins that I'm holding long term, but I still feel like there's quite a bit of opportunity here. Again, not suggesting to go out and dump all of your money into crypto coins. I just come from the school of if there is a way to make money, I want to partake in it, okay? Keep in mind, Robinhood is a zero commission broker, and you can trade cryptocurrency with absolutely no fees. So I did quite a bit of trading over the month of June. And like I said, guys, I try to strategically take profits, okay? Sometimes I take profits and the coins continue to run further beyond that. But I'll never ever kick myself for taking a gain. That's the most important thing to always keep in mind. If you're making money, don't ever beat yourself up about it, because there's going to be plenty more opportunities down the road to buy stocks and commodities. So those things will never run out. But what we're going to do, guys, we're going to jump into the 3 stocks to buy for July. Do me a favor, drop a thumbs up on this video. I appreciate all the support, and make sure to subscribe to the channel if you have not done so already. The first stock we're going to talk about, guys, is related to crude oil. During the month of May and the very first part of June, crude oil traded way down, getting as low as $50. I thought the bottom was going to be much further than that, and we really did not see any level of recovery till about the 16th. So it was about 2 weeks where oil laid kind of flat, and it now is making a real breakout. And over the past 5 days, crude oil has made consistent gains, running up further and further, and now I've actually already started buying some stocks, and I've already pocketed some pretty good profits. And at any given opportunity, I'm gonna be buying more. Let me show you 2 of these funds I buy for direct exposure to crude oil. So the first fund, guys, I have talked about this a lot here on my channel. It is actually a 3 times levered crude oil ETF, and the ticker symbol is UWT. Now you really got to watch this one. This fund is decorated for trading only. It's not something you're going to want to go long on. Even if crude oil traded itself back up to $100 a barrel, I would still always consider this ETF a trade. Last month, we really focused on value stocks, so I hope each and every one of you have loaded your portfolios up with some really good stable value stocks. So now, as crude oil rebounds, you can see the percentage gains you can get on UWT are absolutely outstanding. Going back to December of 2018, that's when I really started buying into UWT, and I got my cost basis lower than $10 a share. I've actually shared quite a bit of that here on this channel before, and by April had itself trading back up to $24. As you could see, if you could have got your cost basis under $10, there was an easy 100% return in there. Now again, a lot of people are not going to be that patient, and I feel as though we have a similar opportunity given to us over the past couple of months. Back on the 5th of June, UWT was trading at $10 and at one point got itself down to $10.13. Seen another big dip on the 12th of June, trading down to $10.39. And now currently, guys, UWT is trading at $15.71. So I've already made 2 trades using UWT, but there's another oil ETN I would like to share with you that I keep on my watch list, and I've made a few trades as well. And that is ticker symbol OILU, Oil U. Now, the reason I've started tracking this fund is because you can buy put and call options on it where you cannot buy on UWT, okay? So I kind of gravitated to this fund, like I said, just to buy puts and calls, not necessarily buying and selling this fund as much. But I do feel like we are going to see a resurgence in crude oil. So those are 2 that I'm going to be watching very closely and making trades on in the month of July: UWT and Oil U. And now the second stock to buy during the month of July, guys, I feel like this one is an absolute no-brainer, and this is a perfect opportunity to add this one to your portfolio. That is AbbVie, ticker symbol ABBV. So I made a video about this the other night. I talked in pretty good length about how great of a company AbbVie is, and of course over the past year it just has not traded, I think, like we all expected it to. Okay, very choppy. I'll pull the 1-year chart up, and as you can see, it's been trading down in a downward trend. Now, this 16% dip that just happened, of course, that was on the news that they were making a final bid to buy out Allergan. Of course, that's the company that makes Botox. And for me, this was my opportunity to get in. So I did make an entry position right around $68. And of course, I'm already seeing some return on that position just in one day. So the real thing, guys, is keep in mind, this thing is a dividend aristocrat, okay? Probably one of the best dividend stocks you can possibly buy. Pays out $1.07 per share quarterly, or $4.28 per year. Is this a company that I would rather own as compared to maybe a Johnson & Johnson or a Pfizer or maybe a Merck? Well, maybe not. I do feel like they have a bigger opportunity for growth, but I might just use this one as a swing trade. But again, it's going to be very, very hard to talk myself out of that with that massive dividend yield that they are paying out. Now, unfortunately, on a 5-year run, this stock is only up about 31%. Back here in January of 2018, this was trading at $123, and it really felt like the sky was the limit. I can recall feeling like this opportunity has just passed me by. It stayed in my watch list. I do want to build up my pharmaceutical companies up a little bit better, and now it has been basically cut in half since that point. So I feel like this is a great opportunity. Am I going to go long term on it? That I do not know the answer to. I might just use this as a swing trade, but when it dipped under $70 a share, guys, I could not pass up this opportunity, and I call this stock a buy anywhere under $75 a share. And the third and final stock, of course, this is a stock I've talked about a lot on this channel. It is Take-Two Interactive Software, ticker symbol TTWO. Now, the gaming industry got very shook up in 2018. A lot of that was due to Fortnite, and you've seen Activision Blizzard, Electronic Arts, and Take-Two Interactive take a big fall, while that was going on. Okay, those companies got very disrupted, okay, and then over the past year, they've all traded back down, but Take-Two remains my favorite stock to buy in this space, even though I have talked about owning positions in EA and Activision Blizzard. I think all three are very, very good buys. And over the past 3 months, Take-Two is up around 19%. Just continue building onto my long-term position. And really, like I said with this one, guys, it's all about having a strong gaming lineup. As a matter of fact, they just got an upgrade today, as SunTrust analysts initiated coverage of Take-Two with a buy rating and a $125 price target. As I've mentioned, guys, many times in the past, this stock is fundamental gold. So even though they have seen the share price disrupted a little bit and they have taken a dive, like I said, I have slowly been building my position stronger and stronger in my M1 Finance portfolio. And there's really no doubt in my mind that we will see $130 to $140 per share on Take-Two Take-Two Interactive before the end of 2019. But anyways, guys, that's all I got for the video. Those are the 3 stocks I'm going to be buying the most and trading the most: UWT, Oil U, Take-Two Interactive, and AbbVie, okay? Where I feel like UWT and Oil U are very, very good swing trade opportunities. I feel AbbVie can go in both categories, and I feel Take-Two Interactive is just a great long-term stock to buy and hold. Thank you as always for watching the video, and I will have the 3 stocks to short video coming out very, very soon. So have a great day, guys.